Greetings, beautiful people. What's poppin'? Welcome back to Uncle Lou's Kitchen. Folks, what's happening? Today, I'm going to be making a recipe, right? So this is originally from Israel, and if you happen to have gone there ever before you were vegan, you may have had this. So this is a salad kind of dip that you would have. It's excellent for the summertime, and it's kind of like Baba Ghanoush, but instead of using tahini or tahini and lemon and other bits, you're going to be using mayonnaise, and this is just really, really, really nice. So check it out, enjoy it, let's get cooking. Okay folks, this is a very, very easy recipe, right? So you're going to want 2 aubergines. I've got 5 garlic cloves, which I've sliced this thin, as you can see. About a teaspoon of salt and some vegan mayonnaise. I've run out of my own. If you want to see a video on how I make that, I'll post a little something here. So yeah, I've just got store-bought, it's fine. Right, so we're going to get started. Okay, so step 1, basically what we need to do is just cut our aubergine down the middle. Okay, I'm going to do it on both of them. Now, what I'm then going to do is do some lines down here. Okay, now we're going to get our garlic and we're just basically going to stuff them into here. I want it cooked in with the aubergines. That's one, and basically you're going to do that on all of them. As you can see, they're all stuffed with the garlic. Now, just with the salt, just give it a nice rub, try and get some all over them. Okay, that will do. Now, tin foil. As you can see. Wrap it up. Then we're going to stick it in the oven on 180 degrees C for 1 hour. By the way, make sure you've got a tray underneath them because they'll start dripping. You don't want this at the base of your oven. It's a nightmare afterwards. Okay, so an hour's passed in the oven, and I've also taken them out of the oven and just let them kind of stew in themselves till they become like floppy, as you can see here. Now be very careful, there's going to be juices here and they're going to be boiling hot. What we basically want to do is just clear them from the skin. Okay, so as you can see, steaming, it's piping hot, so you want to be very careful. And basically I'm going to get a spoon and I'm going to try and scoop out the so-called meat from the inside. I'm gonna pop it in a bowl. Some skin's okay, just you don't want too much of it. Okay. I'm gonna get rid of some of that. 1 second. You can see there's some liquid here, I want to get rid of that. So I've just got it in one of these. I'm going to discard that, okay, and I'm going to pop that in back in. Now with this, okay, so the traditional way of doing this, right, is with the aubergine itself, the eggplant, basically you put that on a fire, like a barbecue or something like that, and it gives it a really nice smoky flavour to it. But I'm here in Dublin and I don't actually have the possibility of doing that right now. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of smoked paprika in that once I've added the mayonnaise, just to kind of give it a bit more extra flavour. Other than that, that's good to go. So I'm going to wait for that to cool down. I'm going to add the mayonnaise and then I'm going to add a little bit of the smoked paprika and then we're good. Okay, so that's cooled down a little bit now and we're going to start adding in our mayonnaise. So, I'm going to start start with 4 tablespoons. Test it, see how we get on. So about 1 more, we're good to go. Now usually you just literally dip it with pita bread. Okay, good. Smoked paprika, or paprika as I call it. I'm only going to go literally just 1/4 teaspoon in there. Don't want to make it overbearing. I don't really want to ruin the colour either. You could possibly put a couple of drops of liquid smoke if you have, and you don't have smoked paprika. I just throw it like that. Nearly there. So I'm going to put another 1/4 teaspoon in there. That should be done. That's exactly how it's supposed to taste. Wonderful. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to transfer it to a nice little bowl. I'm going to pop that in the fridge. So we can refrigerate it. And then serve it as a dip. Goes very well. If you've got like an antipasti, like a Middle Eastern style of meze or antipasti, goes really well. So I have here a nice aubergine coloured bowl. I'm just going to pour that in. There it is. So, like I said, I'm going to pop that in the fridge and I'll show you how to kind of plate it up. Alrighty folks, that's done. So, usually you'd eat this with a pita. I couldn't be bothered to make any, but I've got a video on how to make perfect pita bread. Literally the perfect Middle Eastern pita with the pocket in the middle and everything. Not that cheap crap you get in the supermarket. But this is a flatbread which I got from my local Arab grocer, and it's really, really nice as well. And basically, very simple. This is how it's done, right? That's it. I tasted it earlier. It's lovely. So yeah, basically that's it. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget, leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Help me get to 10,000 this year. That'll be amazing. Once again, every recipe on this channel is 100% vegan, 100% tasty, so do try it out for yourselves. I hope you enjoyed this one. Ciao for now. See you next time.